improve the lives of farmers across southern Mindanao.
Vegetable Industry Council is very relevant. Together with the other stakeholders, we reach out to our farmers. The Vegetable Congress is a venue by which we could share information to the different vegetable stakeholders. We educate them on the new vegetable seeds, varieties that are produced by our vegetable seed growers. And aside from that, of course, we educate them on judicious use of pesticides. We also have had an activity where we conducted soil sampling. Tinuruan po namin ang mga farmers natin ng kahalagahan ng pag-conduct ng soil sampling.
Bixmin is one of nag-stand to put up a Davao Food Terminal. Sa gusto lang na is mulambo lang yun ang industry sa Glayan.
If only we can come up with a better aggregation of farmers so that there will be a systematic vegetable calendar planting across areas. So, hindi po magkakaroon ng oversupply ang bawat area kasi napo-program na po natin. We synergize. Let's cooperate with each other. Mixmin also pushes the growing of vegetables in backyard areas. Kaya meron po tayong gulayan sa Marangay, which was a flagship project of Mixmin before. And together with that, we also have had good agricultural practices ng mga seminars po for our members.
The Good Agricultural Practices of GAP, this is a program of the government in which adopted by Bixmin. So Bixmin now is one of the wagon or isa sa mga vehicle ni DA to promote, to practice, to encourage the farmers how to apply, how to practice, how to work good agricultural practices in their own respective farm. So, muna gusto naman, we try to influence other farmers to be more responsible, not just only for sa ilaha lang pamilya, but to the community itself.
Through trainings, workshops, technology demonstrations, and capacity building programs, Vixmin has initiated and supported various projects and industry-led initiatives designed to strengthen the vegetable sector across southern Mindanao. Progress is never achieved alone. The success of Vixmin is built on partnerships. Together, they create solutions, promote innovation, and strengthen the agricultural sector.
Kung naay Vixmin or association sa vegetable industry, how they will improve. Kung sa'y pwede na matabang sa konseho, mag-awag sa tanang mga stakeholders sa gobyerno, sama sa private sector, sa nasa assistance. Kung kinahanglan sila o na pag-studio sa mga bagong technology na atay mga academic na pwede mo suporta sa ila. Importante lang yun sa tanan na ang atong mga vegetable farmers magkayusa sila o aktibo sila mag-participate sa Vixmin.
Ano kasi ng DA, we wanted them to be grower enterprise or yung agri-enterprise. Yan ang gusto namin na advocacy na they will grow, not for anything survival, but for something sustainable. So whatever programs mo na bibigay namin sa kanila, comprehensive. So we need to say from the production, even up to the marketing aspect para support po sa food security. Food secure po ang ating Rion Ponce and of course the rest of the country po.
I should say, Bixmin's success right now will be the kind of a long journey. It's because there's a lot of programs by the government na pwede pa rin ang Bixmin makatabang, ang Bixmin maka-help nila, maka-support. Then also, we need this kind of agency, the Department of Agriculture, to support us, and also the government also need us to spearhead as example farmers to secure our national food security itself. So, pag may gulay, may buhay.
As Vixmin continues to grow, its commitment remains the same: to unite stakeholders, to empower agri-entrepreneurs, to strengthen the vegetable industry. Together,
Dagan po silang manpower.
together we innovate.
Wala na sa ating
Together,
manpower.
we build a strong vegetable industry.